6 vegetables to strengthen your legs. Prevent leg cramps in seniors. Are leg cramps keeping you up at night or slowing you down during the day? Don't let them control your life. Discover 6 delicious and nutritious vegetables that can help strengthen your legs and prevent those painful cramps. Leg cramps are a frequent complaint among seniors, often striking at the most inconvenient times. These sudden, involuntary muscle contractions can be incredibly painful and disruptive. These cramps can significantly impact mobility, making it difficult to walk, exercise, or even get a good night's sleep. This limitation can lead to a decrease in overall quality of life. Fortunately, dietary choices can play a significant role in preventing and managing leg cramps. By incorporating specific nutrients into your diet, you can support muscle health and reduce the likelihood of these painful episodes. Magnesium is a vital mineral for proper muscle function and relaxation. It helps regulate nerve impulses and muscle contractions, preventing them from becoming erratic and causing cramps. Potassium is another essential electrolyte that helps maintain fluid balance and prevent muscle spasms. A deficiency in potassium can disrupt nerve signals and lead to muscle cramping. Calcium is crucial for muscle contraction and bone health. While often associated with bone strength, calcium also plays a vital role in the proper functioning of muscles. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse, particularly rich in magnesium. This leafy green is an excellent addition to your diet for preventing leg cramps. Magnesium plays a key role in regulating nerve impulses and muscle contractions. By ensuring adequate magnesium intake, you can help prevent those painful muscle spasms. The high magnesium content in spinach can potentially prevent cramps by promoting muscle relaxation. Incorporate spinach into your salads, smoothies, or side dishes. Spinach is also a good source of potassium, another essential nutrient for muscle health. Potassium helps maintain electrolyte balance and prevents muscle spasms. Potassium is crucial for maintaining healthy muscle function. Adding spinach to your diet is a simple way to boost your potassium intake. Sweet potatoes are packed with potassium, making them an excellent choice for preventing leg cramps. This vibrant vegetable offers a delicious and nutritious way to support muscle health. Potassium helps balance electrolytes in the body, which is essential for proper muscle function. Maintaining this balance can prevent muscle spasms and cramps. By helping to balance electrolytes, sweet potatoes can effectively prevent muscle spasms. Enjoy them baked, mashed, or roasted for a tasty and healthy treat. Sweet potatoes also offer complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. This can be particularly beneficial for seniors who need a steady source of fuel throughout the day. Broccoli is a good source of calcium, an essential mineral for muscle contraction and bone health. This cruciferous vegetable offers a range of health benefits, including support for leg health. Calcium is essential for muscle contraction and overall bone health. Ensuring adequate calcium intake is crucial for preventing muscle cramps and maintaining strong bones. Broccoli also contains vitamin K, which plays a vital role in calcium absorption. This helps your body utilize calcium more effectively, further supporting muscle and bone health. Vitamin K aids in calcium absorption, maximizing the benefits of the calcium found in broccoli. This makes broccoli a valuable addition to your diet for preventing leg cramps. Beets are rich in nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide in the body. This conversion has significant benefits for blood flow and circulation. Nitrates convert to nitric oxide, a molecule that helps relax blood vessels. This relaxation improves blood flow throughout the body. Nitric oxide improves blood flow, which is crucial for delivering oxygen and nutrients to muscles. Enhanced circulation can reduce cramps caused by poor blood supply. Enhanced circulation reduces cramps caused by poor blood supply. Incorporate beets into your diet through salads, juices, or roasted dishes to reap their benefits. Tomatoes are a good source of potassium, an essential electrolyte for muscle function. This popular fruit offers a delicious and versatile way to support leg health. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that may help reduce muscle damage and inflammation. This can be particularly beneficial for preventing leg cramps. Lycopene is an antioxidant that may reduce muscle damage and inflammation. This can help prevent muscle cramps and promote overall muscle health. By reducing muscle damage and inflammation, tomatoes can contribute to preventing leg cramps. Enjoy them in salads, sauces, or as a healthy snack. Bell peppers are packed with vitamin C, an essential nutrient for collagen production. Collagen is crucial for maintaining the health and elasticity of muscles and connective tissues. Vitamin C supports collagen production, which is vital for maintaining healthy muscles and connective tissues. This can help prevent muscle cramps and injuries. Bell peppers also contain potassium, further contributing to their ability to prevent leg cramps. This makes them a valuable addition to your diet for supporting leg health. Don't let leg cramps hold you back. By incorporating these 6 vegetables into your diet, you can strengthen your legs, improve muscle function, and reduce the likelihood of those painful cramps. Remember to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized dietary advice. Ready to take control of your leg health and say goodbye to those annoying cramps? Start incorporating these vegetables into your meals today. For more tips on healthy living and senior wellness, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest videos. Share this video with your friends and family who might also benefit from these tips. And let us know in the comments which of these vegetables you're most excited to try.